Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to Facebook lead ads leads using Pabbly Chatflow. So here I am running a digital marketing agency, and to promote my business, I am using Facebook lead ads. So basically, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and I've also created a lead gen form to generate the leads. Now my objective is that as soon as I am going to receive a new lead for my business through Facebook lead ads, instantly a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead in order to connect with them. To send the WhatsApp message, here I'm going to use a new and an amazing feature of Pabbly, that is Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to enhance the communication with my leads. Now, to automate the entire process of sending WhatsApp messages to all our leads of Facebook lead ads, here I'm going to set up the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow, and that I'm going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how we can automatically send WhatsApp messages in the personalized formats to all our Facebook leads. So here I am a digital marketer and I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook page. Basically, I'm running an ad campaign over here, and also I've created a lead gen form with the help of Facebook lead ads to generate the leads. I want that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead for my digital marketing agency through Facebook lead ads, then I want to instantly connect with that lead by sending them personalized WhatsApp message. For sending the WhatsApp messages, here I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly, which helps us to manage our conversations with our clients, leads or customers effectively and effortlessly. With this, we can manage our WhatsApp inbox, we can send personalized messages with the help of templates, and also we can receive the messages. Alright, it also has some other amazing features which we are going to discuss afterwards in other videos. Today, I'm going to show you that how we can use Pabbly Chatflow for sending WhatsApp messages to all our leads or clients instantly as soon as they are received from Facebook lead ads. Okay, so for that, we have to build the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. As you know, Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks for work without any coding or programming skills by simply setting up connections between our work applications. So currently we are on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. Once you will reach here, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in because I'm already logged in. Now, this is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. As you can see, we have Pabbly Connect, Pabbly Subscription Billing, Pabbly Email Marketing, Form Builder, and also you can find Pabbly Chatflow, which we are going to use over here. So you can access both Pabbly Connect as well as Pabbly Chatflow from this Pabbly All App section. Currently, because I'm already logged into Pabbly Chatflow, I'm directly going to click on Access Now for Pabbly Connect. You can see it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows separately, we can also create different folders like this. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this Create Workflow button. It has provided us with a dialog box, which is first of all asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Send WhatsApp message to Facebook lead ads using Pabbly Chatflow. After giving the name to my workflow, then I'm going to select the folder. You can see I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, I'm going to select Facebook lead marketing automation, because the automation which I'm going to create currently is related to my Facebook leads management. So I'm going to select that, and now I'm going to click on create. In the similar manner, you can also create separate folders for different kind of workflows on your dashboard. Now, you can see a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two windows. Here we have trigger and also we have action. Basically, this is a blank workflow which we have to fill up in order to complete our automation successfully. The trigger here says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. Basically, trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation is going to work. Alright, so here, whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose I want that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, I want to send a WhatsApp message to that lead through Pabbly Chatflow. So Facebook lead ads will be my trigger and Pabbly Chatflow will be my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these two applications, we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through lead gen form submission in Facebook lead ads, then only a message will be sent to that lead through Pabbly Chatflow, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step, and we will start with the process of connecting Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so first of all, to start with the process, we'll go towards our trigger step and we will select our trigger application as Facebook lead ads. Then we have to select the trigger event. So here our trigger event will be to get new lead instant, as we want that whenever a new lead will be received, instantly the response of that lead should be captured in Pabbly Connect, and with that response, instantly my workflow should start. So let's click on Connect. For building the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, you can see I'm already logged into my Facebook account. Also, I've opened my page by using which I'm running my ad campaign. Now we'll switch as page. The name of my page is, as you can see, Digital Dynamics. So on this page for my digital marketing agency, I'm running an ad campaign, and also I have created a lead gen form for generating the leads. Okay, so I want that as soon as the lead gen form is going to be submitted by a new lead who is going to visit my page and they are going to watch my ad campaign, then I want to capture the response of that lead. Okay, so we are already logged in, and now to build the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, you can see we have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can just go with that. I'm going to show you that how you have to create a new one. So let's go towards add new connection. We'll click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Here we have to select the account which is already detected as we have already logged in. Okay, so now I'm going to click on continue towards my account, and you can see that here our authorization has become successful. As we have done that, the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now we just have to enter the details. So we have to first of all select the page. You can have multiple pages on your Facebook account which you are running for different purposes. So you need to select the specific one which you have to connect. So here the name of my page is Digital Dynamics. I'm going to select the same over here, Digital Dynamics. Now the next we have to select is the lead gen form, by using which form you want to generate the leads. So you can see I have multiple forms over here for different leads for different purposes, but currently I have created this new form to generate the leads for my business. So here I'm going to select new form. When this new form will be submitted by the lead, then only I want to capture the response. All right. Now we have to turn the simple response button on, and we will just click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, it is showing waiting for webhook response. We have also received a test response, as you can see. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By simply submitting the lead gen form which we have recently connected with Pabbly Connect, so that the response of the lead could be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And because I'm not running any live campaign currently here, in order to show you the integration fully, I'm going to use Meta for developers. With the help of Meta for developers, I will go towards resources, and over here we have the option of developer tools. Over here in developer tools, when we'll scroll down, you will find the option of lead ads RTO debug tool. And here we have lead ads testing tool. So with the help of this testing tool, we are going to test our connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. And as we will select the page and the form over here, when you will submit that form with some details, the response of that form is going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect if the connection is successful. In this way, we will test whether our connection is successfully made or not. Currently, I'm not running any live campaign. Therefore, here I could not send the response of a real lead towards Pabbly Connect. But in your case, once you will set up the connection when you will be running a live campaign, as soon as a new lead will be received through lead gen form submission in Facebook lead ads, you're going to receive the response of that real lead, the actual lead with all the actual details in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So now, first of all, let's select the page. So the name of my page, as you know, is Digital Dynamics. And the form is already selected, but here it is saying that you can create one lead per form. Because we are doing a test submission over here, this is not the actual lead, so we could not send multiple leads with the same form. Therefore, first of all, we have to delete the existing lead with a form if we have any, and if we have not, so we can directly click on preview form. Once you will delete the existing lead from the form, you will also refresh the page. Then once again, you will select the page and the form. Then only you will be able to fill up the form to submit it once again. All right. Now, as the form is open in front of us, I'm going to submit the details. Let's start with the interest. So let's say that here we have the interest of content creation. Let's say the time to contact the lead is morning. We have, let's say, the first name of the lead as dummy, and let's say the last name of the lead is lead, dummy lead. Okay, then here let's say the email of this lead is dummy87@pabblytudes.com. Let's say the phone number is, and the company name is, let's say, Sparkle Events. All right, let's say it's an event management company. Now I'm going to click on continue and I will submit the form. As soon as we have submitted the form, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. We will wait for a few seconds so that the response could be captured and the response is received. So here in our response, we have received all the details. Let's start with the interest first of all. Here we have received the interest in the services which the lead has submitted, content creation, the time at which we can connect with the leads, the time at which we can connect with. Here we have the time at which we can connect with the lead. We have the name of the lead, we have the last name, we have their email address, phone number, we have the name of the company which we have submitted in the form, the date and time at which the lead is received. This means our connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now every time we are going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, automatically the response of that lead with all the details are going to be captured. Once we have set up this connection successfully, now our objective is to send a WhatsApp message to this lead. And as you know, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow for that. So we have to build the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. Before moving forward towards building this connection, I will show you, before moving forward towards setting up this connection, how you have to set up the account of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, you can see we have the option of add WhatsApp number. You will have to enter the access token, WhatsApp business account ID and phone number ID over here to add your WhatsApp number. And you are going to get these details from Meta for developers only from WhatsApp Cloud API. So let me show you that quickly. So here we are on Meta for Developers. We are on All Apps section of Meta for Developers where we can find the option of Cloud API. We have to select that. It should be linked with your Facebook account. And then you have to go towards WhatsApp. Here we have the option of API setup. And here you will get your access token, your phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. In order to learn how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API account and to generate the permanent token, we have already created a tutorial and it is already there on our YouTube channel. So you can also go and watch. If you want, we are also attaching the link in the I box. Okay, so you can go and watch the video from there as well. Now you will get all these details from here. You have to paste them over here, access token, WhatsApp business account ID and the phone number ID, and then you will click on add. So your phone number will be added and you can use it in order to send the messages. Once you will set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we'll move forward to set up the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. To do that, let's go towards our action step and let us select Pabbly Chatflow as our action application. Then we have to select the action event that will be send curl request because we want to send the message. Let's click on connect. For building this connection, you can see we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, just go with that quickly. But I'm going to show you to build a new connection. So let's go towards add new connection. We'll have to provide the token. To get this token, you can see that we have the instructions given over here. And also we have an hyperlink. So if you are already logged into your Pabbly Chatflow account, the hyperlink is going to be directly opened. So I'm going to directly open this hyperlink. It will take you towards webhooks and API page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here we can find the API key. So let's copy it. We will move back and we will quickly paste it over here. Done. Now let's click on save. As we have done that, the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. For sending the messages, now we have to enter the body over here. To get this body, you have to create a template. As I told you, we are going to use a template for sending multiple messages to multiple clients. So we are going to create a single template by using which we will send the messages all the time to all the leads. Okay. And you can see we have the template section from the left side. So we'll go towards template and then we'll click on this template list option. And over here, you can see that we have the list of templates which I have created for different kind of purposes. Okay, now first of all, this is the lead which I have created with the name as new lead template for sending the messages to all my new leads. And you can see it is already approved, but I'm going to show you that how you have to create a new template by yourself. For that, you can see we have the option of add new template. Let's click on this button. And now we have to provide the template category. So let's say the template category is marketing. The name of the template is, let's say, new template, just a random name. You can select the language by using which you want to send the messages. Let's say here I'm going to select English. If you can select the type of the template, whether it is text, image, video or document. Okay, so I've selected text as my template type, and then you have to provide the description, or we can say the content of the message, which is going to be in the preview of the message. Okay, that what kind of message you want to send. And also we have the example over here given. You can see we have some of the details in two curly braces with variables. So these variables are going to make the data dynamic. That means because we want to send personalized messages to all our leads, we have to use variables in our template. Let's say here I'm going to give the example, hello. Here in the place of 1, that is the variable, I'm going to use, let's say, name of the customer. So I want that every time with every new response, with every new lead, this name should replace. And in this way, I will be sending the same template message to all my leads, to all my clients without any manual efforts, that too in the personalized way. Okay, here I've just used a single variable for the example, but you can use as many variables according to your choice in your template. Once you will complete the template, then you have to scroll down. And if you want, you can also use the template footer as well as the interactive actions if you want. Then you will simply click on submit. As you will submit the template, it will be sent for approval towards Meta. Once it will be approved, then you have to link it with a broadcast. So I'm going to go back. This is my template which is already approved. I'm going to now link this template with broadcast. From the left side here, we have the option of broadcast. We have to click on this add broadcast button. And here we have to select the broadcast type, that is API campaign. Then we have to provide the name to the campaign. So let's say I'm going to give the name as new Facebook leads. Okay, then we have to select the template, which template you want to link with the broadcast. So here the name of my template is new lead template. Here you can see we have hello, thank you for reaching out. Hello, here you can see we have the message, the preview of the message. Hello, thank you for reaching out. We have received your details and are excited. Explore our latest collection here. We have other details as well, and it is saying have any questions, feel free to reply to this message. Okay, so here we have the preview of the message. I've already linked my template with my broadcast, and now I'm going to click on add broadcast button. As soon as we have done that, you can see that the broadcast is added and also it is live. Now we have to go towards test broadcast, and you will see the URL over here, curl URL, which is required in Pabbly Connect. So let's simply copy it. We'll copy the full body. We'll go back and we will simply paste it over here, and done. Now we just have to make certain changes over here in the body for the places which we want to get replaced automatically with every new response, and that's it. So first of all, we will change the destination, that is the number on which we want to send this message. So here we will simply enter the phone number of the lead. I will delete the existing number over here, and I will insert the phone number directly from my previous step as I have received that. So this is the phone number I have received from my previous response. I will insert it from the previous step like this, and it is mapped. When I have mapped this number like this from the previous step, it becomes dynamic. That means automatically with each and every new response, it is going to replace. So as I have mapped the number, now in the similar manner, I'm going to map other details as well, because if I will enter the data manually, then it will become static, and then it is not going to replace with every new response. It will be stuck. Okay. So here, therefore, mapping is important, because the data which we want to replace every time with every new response is required to be mapped. It should be dynamic. Now in the place of username, here I'm going to map the name of the lead which I have received. Here I have the first name with a space. I will map the last name as well. Then we have the body parameters in which we have the first name field. So I'm going to simply map the first name of my lead. Now after this, I will directly click on save and send test request button. And you can see that the response is received. This means that the message is sent and it is accepted. So I'm going to now take you towards inbox of Pabbly Chatflow to see whether the message is sent on the number or not. And here we can see that yes, in inbox, we have a new message sent to dummy lead. Hello dummy, thank you for reaching out. We have received your details and are excited to assist you. So here we have the number. As you can see, we have the name of the lead, dummy lead. And also you can see we have a bracket in place of the first name, but it is not going to be seen by the receivers. When they will receive the message, they will only receive the name and not the bracket. So in this way, you can also very easily create this amazing automation for your business, and very easily you can use Pabbly Chatflow to manage all the conversations with your clients, leads and customers effortlessly as well as effectively. You just have to build the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow, and your work is done. Then whenever you're going to receive a new Facebook lead for your business, the message will be received to them instantly in the personalized format. I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.